Hello, Nishant. How are you?
Yes, sir, I'm fine, sir.
So, tell me. Hello.
Sir, I'm facing some problem with the audio. I'm correcting it.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yeah,
okay?
good evening, sir. Yeah,
Good
it is
evening. Good
okay.
evening. Your native place now. Where are you now?
Sir, Uttar Pradesh, Gorakhpur.
Gorakhpur. Okay. G-O-R-A-K-H or K? Gorakh.
Gorakh,
H.
Gorakh,
Gorakhpur.
Rakh. Yes, sir.
Mhm. Gorakhpur. This is in
Uttar
Bihar,
Pradesh,
no?
UP.
Uttar Pradesh.
No, sir,
Sorry.
UP.
UP. Uttar. Very good. So, tell me something that time you wanted to convey.
Yeah. Sir, I went to the book, so I have done 2 chapters till now, and
Very good.
there are sir, there are some grammatical errors also. Other errors are there, but there are some grammatical errors also, and uh, means uh, I'm not perfect in English, so I don't. There may be some errors that I may also not recognize, some grammatical errors, and for that we will have to use some tools, some online tools. So if we start using those tools, so we will start getting many errors, and uh, so I was means when I was going through the book, I was writing down the errors in the PDF itself, but if I start going for the grammatical errors also, so there are a lot of errors that are coming because of the grammatical errors. So should I focus on that also, or only the non-grammatical errors? Because grammatical errors can be corrected using any software. So I don't think that I need to correct it manually one by one. So that was
Yeah,
the issue.
yeah. How Grammarly works, you know?
So not exactly, but I have used it. I think 2 3 times. So we what I used to do is copy the text, and it will show wherever there is error and what is the correct version of the text.
Okay. What I find it is very good, and I am using it for Word, but I could not use it in Overleaf. How to use Grammarly in Overleaf? Can you can you join me with my AnyDesk simultaneously?
Uh, Join you with what, sir?
AnyDesk. AnyDesk,
Any
are you aware?
dex?
Hmm?
No, no, no,
ANY.
no, sir.
Okay. You take 5-10 minutes to install AnyDesk to your system.
Okay, sir. I will do it. Okay,
Hmm.
okay, sir. Yeah, I'm doing it. Yeah. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I have installed. I have installed it.
Okay. Wait. Can you see my screen? Zoom page.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you see this page more than meetings?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm opening the overleaf. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here they don't have any provision for grammar check. No, in
Sir, yeah, I was searching on the net. So there is something called Writeful. It is an Chrome extension, Writeful. So using that, we can correct it on Overleaf itself.
okay. What is that
The
one?
Writeful, WRITE, right, and FULL, Writeful Chrome extension, Chrome Overleaf extension. Something. Yeah, Writeful for Overleaf. Maybe you can write. Yeah. Add extension. Yeah. So now when you open Overleaf, so can you
Hmm.
open Overleaf now?
Hmm.
Yes. So one symbol should come. Can you press refresh? Refresh this page.
Where?
Refresh. So refresh this page. Uh, Reload this page on the top
Okay.
left
Okay. Okay.
corner. Yes, so there's something W at the top. What is
Hmm.
coming?
Yes. Yes.
So that is. I also don't know correctly how it is going to work, but that is for Rightful. So on clicking there, maybe something we can do.
Let us see. It is taking some password automatically.
Yes. So yes, the same problem I was also facing when I was doing it. Something
So
token.
I forgot password. Let us. Have you tried to reset password?
No, sir. No, no. Yes, so they are sending something at the mail. Yeah.
Create account. It is asking registered Failed.
Alright.
The entered email has an associated account.
Sir,
An email
I
has been
think
sent.
you should log in, not create account. One time you can do login and see what happens. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, it is doing.
Language check and
Spell
upgrade
check.
to premium.
No, this should be
Okay.
sufficient.
Okay. Now, how to remove this?
Uh,
What is signifying?
Sir, I read then it was telling that whatever there is currently on the editor window, only
Hmm.
it will check that part. This rightful will check only that part and will tell where is the error. So it is
Okay.
not showing it, but it is not
Huh.
showing the error.
Okay. Let us check something.
Yeah, it is
Discussion spelling is okay or not?
discussion. Yeah, it is showing a comma, I think. After discussion, there should be a comma.
Okay. Okay.
And after, okay, yeah.
So it seems to be good.
Yes, yeah.
Replace.
So what did you do for your first book? How did you correct these things? Errors?
First book I have done in Word, Microsoft Word. So
Okay.
Word I used Grammarly. I will show you Grammarly. So this file actually I have done some correction here.
Yes, sir.
This was my book and Grammarly automatic comes here. I think why it is not coming. Grammarly is add-on. No? I don't know. Means it was installed in my other laptop or not. But it should appear here.
Sir, we are on the overleaf page only right now.
I have not shared this page with you. Anyhow,
Okay.
what we can do, this part we will think of later. But the grammar, what you feel that it is not good, you should change it, or you can take a note. Here you see this chapter, what is open now, introductory chapters.
Yes, sir.
There is, I think, lot of errors or mistakes is there.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Now, can you tell me where you face a maximum error? First, let us have this discussion on preface. What is that preface started? How was it?
Yes, the preface was very good. Sir, it was sir. I have downloaded the PDF, and in the PDF, wherever I am finding something is not right, I am mentioning it in the PDF itself.
Okay,
So
that is fine.
can
Yeah.
I open the PDF? So there I will be able to know what I have commented.
Okay, okay, okay. That will be fine. Yeah, I am
Okay.
giving. Can you open or?
Yeah, I can share. I can share.
Okay. Prem, how are you? Prem, how are you?
Hello, sir. I am fine.
So, what are you doing?
I am doing good. So I read the book a bit after I
Okay,
saw the message, Nishant's message.
okay.
Yeah, sir, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, here is an option of commenting. So I have
Hmm.
mentioned, for example, page 3, there is a comment.
Hmm.
Yeah. First of all, okay, sir. So first thing I thought was this is the name of the book linear algebra only. So because I thought
No,
something,
I change it to in my case. Let me open that my.
it was showing same because I have downloaded it from the overleaf only.
No, let me check.
Okay.
Let me share my screen.
Okay, sir. I'm unsharing.
You see, now can you see my screen now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
So this is my first page.
Okay, sir. I downloaded it from here. I think that time it was not changed. It is changed recently.
No, let us go back and see that which file you are working. This is original linear algebra. This file, no,
Oh, no, no. I am, sir. I have downloaded final draft one.
huh?
I have downloaded third one, sir. Linear algebra final draft.
Okay, okay. It was old.
Okay.
This one you download.
Okay, sir. Okay, I will do that.
So does not matter. Now you can share whatever you are telling.
Okay, sir. Yeah, so one thing was this. Next thing,
This here special collaborator we should remove.
uh, special collab. Sir, I didn't know what was that.
Actually, these are some thing you
Sir,
remove that
actually,
and
okay. And sir, actually, sir, according to you, what is better? I am doing it downloading and doing it, so I have to write it down and then correct it later on, or otherwise I can directly do it on the overleaf only. So I think that directly doing on overleaf is better because it will save time. I don't have to write. Wherever I have doubt, then I can discuss. But wherever I think it is obvious that we need to change, so I can change that or what we
yes,
can do.
yeah, you can do. My suggestion maybe this will be one thing that original linear algebra, na, you make a copy with your name
Okay, in the overleaf only.
in the overlap only. So
Okay.
and in that file you change, so original file will also be there. At the same time your file you completely you edit, remove, whatever you want like to do, you do on that, and we will
Okay.
work on that file.
Okay, sir. Okay.
That file will be taking as a final file.
Okay. Okay, sir. Yeah.
So now tell me.
And okay, then I went through this thing. The preface was
These materials actually we should focus now, because these other things we have to again do something as per book setup. No,
yes, sir.
you have to set other pages, so that we will do later. So
Okay, sir.
preface you like it is okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Yeah, you are from the very starting. You are discussing how you came to this field and what you want to do. So it is good. Yeah, it is quite interesting to read this.
Okay.
Yeah, this is all fine. History. Okay, sir. Here I mentioned a comment because yeah, sir. There because there is a grammatical error here, sir. So I have mentioned a comment. After before there should be no commas, something like that. It is a
Okay.
grammatical error only. So this is an error. And
You
yeah,
can
sir.
remove whatever you feel that it is not required. You can
Yeah.
remove it.
Okay. So now because this thing I did in a PDF, so I can't change it. When I do it on Overleaf, I will change it.
Okay.
Okay. And then, sir, here I think that while I was reading, I thought that this paragraph it ended suddenly. What is history of linear algebra? Starting was nice, but end was, I think it was, I have mentioned it seems like it ended suddenly. Means
Okay.
eh,
I am also keeping a note on that, and I will work on that. It is
yeah.
very nice. You have kept this remark. I will work on that.
Okay. So this
Next.
and then
How is
uh,
this initial
yeah.
starting?
So it is good. You have first discussed about the issues, not just jumping into the topic. First, these are the issues. Yeah. So this is nice to read about these things. So here, this sentence, the equation called the characteristic equation, is it is not looking. The sentence is not looking good here. So a
So,
sort of
so
grammatical error.
you can change it because when I write, when I wrote it, then I had something in mind just to finish that idea what came to my mind. But
Yes, sir.
now you can add something to make it more attractive.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Okay. So I have mentioned it. I will change those things wherever I have
Yes.
mentioned.
And this is
Uh,
the formula, no? Actually, they tell that this is the formula, characteristics equation, is not it?
but
Because
this is formula is correct, but this sentence, the equation called the characters means it should be something uh, and the character means I think the sentence is not correct. I will check
okay,
using
when you reread and you can make out that what should be the right
okay.
one.
Yeah, and so these are just grammatical errors. I just wrote it down. This is also
Mhm.
grammatical. This is also grammatical.
Mm.
For example, sir, here it is not grammatical, but here I think x should not be there, and there should be n. Similarly, the linear equation consists of n number of variables where n can be a positive integer. So you have written x, I think
Yes,
it should
yes,
be
you're right.
n. Yeah, so this is something, this is a grammatical. All there were many grammatical, so I didn't know what to do about this because
No, you make it whatever you feel that correct one, you change it because we will not get a lot of time to work on this same thing.
but sir, but even if I make changes, it is not that I know all the grammar. There is because there should be there can be something remaining also in correcting the grammar. So
Okay,
that may not be
okay.
final.
Can you these files are very large files, and one thing we can do, we can take it a PDF to Word, and in Word file it is okay. Okay, you are have mentioned this. No, we'll work on that. How we'll go about it. It
Okay,
is okay.
yeah,
We'll take a decision later.
okay,
But you should
and
see that whether the flow and material, actual material, whether it is in right
yeah,
direction or
yeah,
not.
yeah, sir.
Grammar we
Wherever
can change.
okay, okay, sir. These things are good.
Hmm.
Most of the errors are grammatical only, sir.
Okay. this when you take the printout,
Yes, sir.
can this remark will appear in that?
No,
Uh,
no, sir. It is in the soft copy only.
Soft copy.
Yes, sir.
Is there any provision to get it printed with remarks, notes?
I don't know, sir, but I have to check. But sir, I think I have done only 2 chapters. The rest of the chapters I will do on overleaf, so that will not be required. Only 2 chapters
Okay,
are there.
okay, okay. Hmm.
Yeah. Sir, here these figures are not here. It is just mentioned that the figures are there. So I think you will insert it later on these 2 figures.
Okay.
Uh, Yeah, sir, here I found that this step 2 and step 3 are telling the same thing. There is a labeling a point. So right click on the point you plotted. So okay, then click on add data labels. You will notice a default value of y coordinate. Again, right click on the y coordinate and select format data labels. So this is
Hmm.
okay. And then you are writing this. Now go to both label X, Y, again right click and I think this step is not required in doing labeling. This third
No,
step.
actually, what happens when we click on this? You go top. Yes, here. Just a little bit. Yeah. Here, when you click on the format data label, no, then again
Yes, sir.
one window comes, and in that window, X, Y, and series name. It is there. That is to be ticked. That is by
Yeah,
default
yes,
only
sir.
Y is ticked.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that aside, that
That
is only you have mentioned. Ki
and
again,
here you see that after dot there is no space. So after all dot and comma, I think there should be a space. So
yeah,
this is
if we do
also
it
correct.
with, if we do it with Grammarly, these things will
Hmm.
be taken care.
Okay, okay. Now tell
Yeah,
me. Yes.
sir, no, but I think because I did it after reading this, I did on Excel. So yeah, there is only y coordinate coming. That is correct. Then when
Hmm.
we right click on this y coordinate value, then
Hmm.
format data labels. When we go,
Hmm.
when we click on this format data labels, then what happens is that this window appears. What is showing here? Format data labels. So,
So
but you are writing here now. Go to both X Y again. Right click on point. So
now
this,
to label both X, Y again, right click on the point and format data label. Okay,
this thing is
this is you can remove or you can add. Something is required to add,
okay.
you can add, or you can if it is, because we should have maintain the flow. A
Yeah.
student, if he tries to do this, he should do it means effortlessly.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, this then yeah. So there is an overlap here. This is not looking nice. Everywhere it is there.
Overlap that I think what is happening, this is in setting of section number, I think.
Okay.
Setting of section number and something is overlapping, header or something. So we have to check it.
Okay.
It is
Sir,
happening in
actually,
every page.
yeah. So here, then
Next page.
here also, yeah.
Huh.
Right side.
So I think something is in chapter 2 something, this is a setting of header and footer, I think.
Yeah.
Next page you
Okay.
go, next page. It
Again,
is somewhere coming. So
yeah.
some overlapping happening in I think it is in header option. So header option, if you remove it, will automatically remove all. Individually, we need not to do anything here.
Yeah. Okay.
Next.
Then these things are. Yeah, okay. Sir, here you started transformation and you told about these types of transformation. Then
Hmm.
you started discussing the steps. So I think there should be a heading also, so that uh, we are going to discuss about the steps, because this was a theory going on and suddenly you started moving to
So
Excel
then
for
you
doing
mean to
it.
say that mm,
Some heading
uh,
here, small heading that
2.3.3.1 something like that,
yeah,
subheading.
yeah, yeah,
Okay,
subheading
okay, that you can
that
do.
we are going. Yeah, okay, yeah, that is one thing.
Mm.
Yes,
Translation
and
also it should have some heading.
yeah. And sir, when you taught us yesterday, so first you discussed about those four things which we can do without homogeneous coordinate system,
Hmm.
starting with scaling, and then you introduced homogeneous coordinate system, and then the two which we use
Hmm.
homogeneous coordinate system.
Hmm.
So that pattern was looking nice. Here, what you are doing is you are introducing homogeneous coordinate system first, and then starting from translation. Yeah, this is also good, but that was looking better, I think.
No, where I have discussed about homogeneous coordinate system
So
here.
in translation here, just in translation.
Uh, Actually, what you want then? Where
So
I should put it?
so after means first we can start with the four: scaling, shearing, and rotation and reflection, where these things are not required. And then we can introduce homogeneous coordinate system, and then after introducing homogeneous coordinate system, we can complete the remaining two. This is how you taught us yesterday, so I was thinking that that was also good. This is also not very, this is also good, but that was better, I think, that pattern, that flow.
Can you modulate as you like it?
Sir, actually, if it was Word, then I can do it easily. But since this is Overleaf, so I am using it for the first time, I will have to give some time in that. If we can convert it into Word, it is very easy to do then.
Convert into Word. Mm, Word having some advantage, it is having some advantage.
Yes, sir.
Word is flexible, but overall management of the book, when you go for the this chapter bibliography, then table headings, all these are there in Word also, but here you need not spend time on settings. It means all the formatting all automatically done here, and there everything we have to do manually. So
Yes, sir.
some
Means,
advantage is there,
yeah,
but
I will
you
have to.
hmm,
I'm not familiar with Overleaf, so I will have to give some time. Then it will be okay, but it will take more time.
better you you see this uh, I feel you should learn. It is very easy, and I will tell you how to go about it. It is very easy thing if you have follow this. mm,
Sir, if you could take a class, half hour or 1 hour discussion on something on Overleaf, that will be very easy then.
I'll do that. I will do that.
Okay, so yeah, because we are going to use Overleaf for the rest of the internship, so it will be good.
Not only rest of the internship, when you get acquainted with this no your future projects, thesis, everything you can do, and even you can when you plan some writing on some books or articles, then also it will be very handy. Our
Okay, sir.
most advantageous advantage of using this is that it is permanent.
Yes, sir.
Today I became handicapped. I was telling you my bridge book was almost final stage and
Yes, sir.
ready for almost publication. One to editing was there, but otherwise it was complete. But
Yes, sir.
and there I was facing some problem with the font I am using. Whenever I am taking it to other laptop, that font was getting disturbed.
Yes, sir.
So means suppose I have worked some in that was in Bengali font. So when I am taking this Bengali font in other laptop, it is automatically changing with some that is also Bengali font, but not what I have used. So
Yes,
like that, some problem I was using facing. and that's why I could not take this that file to any other laptop, and I could not send anyone to edit it. This is a unique problem. It is not common problem, but the common problem is that suddenly that laptop, it is not starting. I think some major fault has happened due to heat or
Okay.
something, and now my file is in that laptop, and I
Okay.
become totally helpless now. I am searching an old file somewhere and using that. Anyhow, that is not problem. So it is very easy, means easy. I will take a class, and I think in one day, the first thing, if you go to a trainer, no, who
Yes,
give impart training in classical way, he may take 1 month 2 month course for
yes, sir.
this latex and overleaf. But I have learned this overleaf while I was attending one conference at ISAR Pune. There one fellow, he was editing all those conference papers, no, and
Yes, sir.
he was put in my room. We double occupancy, and he was working. Then I told, you are very good in latex. So he told, no sir, I don't know anything latex. Latex start work on that, and I edit, and it is very simple, sir. You can also do. Then can I do that? Yes, sir, very simple. So he described me, sir. You have to go there. You have to go there. You have to go there, and it was. Then from that, within a half an hour, I got the idea of how to enter and what to do and what not to do, and then I can do everything, plotting in overleaf, drawing in overleaf, and what are the systems available in overleaf. Everything I can do. So, but I have learned in a crude way. So
Yes,
I'll
sir.
guide you that, and I think you will also do it.
Okay,
Okay,
sir. Yeah.
so you can change it, or else you can do something. You can write it in Word. You can make a file, a parallel file in Word. So whenever we require, then that file we'll copy from there and put it here.
Okay, sir. Yeah. So, I
And
think
you
this.
have made this PDF, no?
Yes, sir.
So there are many online softwares where you can convert this PDF to Word, and
Yes,
in
sir.
that
Yeah.
Word file you can do
Okay. Okay, sir.
PDF. Do you have any software which is helpful in PDF to Word?
No, sir. I'm not using software. Just I'm using online. I can do it. I've been doing it
Online,
like that.
how?
So just we can type PDF to Word, and there are a lot of websites that you input the
I
PDF and
love
they will.
PDF. I love
Yeah,
PDF.
yeah.
One website that is very good.
Small PDF. I love. Okay, okay. Yeah, I love
Uh,
PDF is there.
I love PDF is very good.
Okay.
Just I'm taking a phone.
Okay, sir.
Yes. हाँ हाँ, बट अभी आने नहीं दे रहा है क्या? तुम नीचे आ जाओ, मैं गेट. ओके. हाँ, ठीक है, ठीक. I'm taking 5 minutes break. That laptop repairman has come, so I'll
Okay.
give him laptop and I'll come back. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
5 minutes. Okay.
Yes, sir. प्रेम, बुक में कुछ पढ़ा गया तुमने? आवाज नहीं आ रही, आवाज नहीं आ रही है. आवाज नहीं आ रही है, अब भी नहीं आ रही है।
हेलो।
अब आई आवाज। कुछ पढ़ा है क्या बुक में अभी तक?
नहीं पढ़ा तो नहीं था, मैसेज मैसेज यार खोला वाला था कि अभी तो रफ देखा मैंने, पता ही नहीं था पहले कौन सा बुक पढ़ना है, तो मैंने मैसेज देखा प्रिस्क्रिप्शन तो
अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ अरे तो मेरा मेरा वाला पीछे मैंने बताया वो बुक नहीं थी, एक दूसरी सर बता रहे हैं ना जो ओरिजिनल करके है।
हाँ, एक मैं
वो
देख
बुक,
लूंगा।
हाँ वो ठीक है यार, पढ़ लेना, तुम भी पढ़ लेना कुछ एडिटिंग वेडिटिंग।
हम्म,
तो हाँ, अभी सर आए तब उनसे जैसे ऐसा है ना कि अगर मैं कर रहा हूँ एडिट सारा, तो जैसे हम दोनों एक साथ एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म पे करें तो ज्यादा बेटर रहेगा, पता चलेगा तो हम एडिट कर रहे हैं कुछ और, तुम एडिट कर रहे हो कुछ और, तो उन दोनों को कौन अब फिर कंबाइन करेगा
हाँ वो
ना।
बात कर लेंगे, होता था हम लोग कांटेक्ट कर लेंगे।
हाँ वो सर बता देंगे, तो दोनों लोग से अच्छा एक ही लोग करें, अगर दोनों लोग कर रहे हैं ना तो एक ही फाइल में एडिट करेंगे तो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा, एक दूसरे का पता चलता रहेगा।
हम्म,
चलो, अच्छा ग्रेड क्या है, ग्रेड कितनी लगी एसजी?
अरे दो ही कोर्स था।
हाँ,
क्या ही पूछ रहे, दो ही कोर्स था।
तो कोर्स इतना कम कैसे हो गया?
10 और 8, एक हाइड्रोलॉजी एक स्टील डिजाइन, कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं किया था मैंने, लास्ट सेम अगले सेम के लिए छोड़ दिया हूँ,
कितने
फालतू काम
क्रेडिट्स हैं
करो।
फिर? क्रेडिट्स कितने हैं?
हाँ।
7? अरे यार इतने कम क्रेडिट्स कौन करता है? अच्छा,
यार भाई तुमने तो छोड़ दिया।
अरे नहीं और लोग भी है, 10
That's
वाले भी हैं।
that's 9+ सीजी।
सीजी हाँ इस बार 9+ पहुंच गई है।
अच्छा आ गया।
बस अब और नहीं कुछ चाहिए, बहुत हो गई अब क्या, बस 9+ बन ही रहे और क्या।
9+ से ज्यादा कुछ नहीं होता है।
नहीं नहीं, अब अगर बहुत बढ़ाएंगे भी ना तो 9.1 पहुंचेगा, इससे ज्यादा तो कुछ पहुंचेगा नहीं, तो उतना करके क्या हो जाएगा।
ऐसे तो अब कम, अब तो एक प्लस दो ही से बाकी है फर्स्ट से। और क्या चल रहा है?
कुछ नहीं, अब तो इंटर्न और कोई काम भी नहीं है ना, तो ये जो इंटर्नशिप वाला काम रहता है यही जो रहता है वो रहता है, और तो कोई ऐसा कुछ है नहीं अपने मन से। हाँ तुम्हारा क्या है, कुछ और भी कर रहे हो साथ में क्या?
तो मैं कोडिंग कर रहा था, बाकी अभी तो लाइट ही कटा हुआ था यार, 2 दिन से बारिश हो रहा लगातार, अब देखो मस्कीटो नेट लगा के बैठा हूँ, इतना मच्छर काट रहा था।
तो है। अच्छा 106 किया ना तुमने इस सेम कॉल?
हाँ कॉल ऐसे से, हाँ वो भी ऑडिट कर दिया इसने, 3
वो
ऑडिट
रिजल्ट?
का सब बता।
अच्छा।
अरे लेकिन इस बार अच्छा ग्रेडिंग कर दिया यार, करना चाहिए था कोर्सेस, पिछले बार की तरह नहीं
हम्म।
किया। लास्ट 2 सेम से इतना खराब ग्रेडिंग कर रहा था, इस बार एनवायरमेंट में भी अच्छा ग्रेडिंग कर दिया, सारे कोर्सेज में बहुत अच्छा ग्रेडिंग कर दिया इस बार तो।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, चलो तो कुछ मतलब सही लगा होगा ना कोर्स, तो काफी कुछ बताता है वो उसमें।
कौन सा कोर्स?
अरे भाई कॉल 106।
हाँ वो तो अभी, हाँ ऐसा ऑडिट किया था, बाद वाले पढ़ा नहीं था, स्टार्टिंग का पढ़ा हूँ, लेकिन अभी पढ़ रहा हूँ, ऐसे अच्छा कोर्स सब तो ठीक है।
अच्छा अच्छा, सिविल में कितने लोग थे, कुछ आइडिया है कितने ने उठाया था?
क्या?
सिविल में कितने लोगों ने कॉल 106 किया इस सेम?
अच्छा हाँ, लगभग 10 लोगों ने किया होगा शायद।
अच्छा, और सबने ऑडिट ही किया होगा, क्रेडिट तो शायद नहीं किया होगा किसी ने।
हाँ मेरे को, हाँ लगभग वसीम ने भी ऑडिट, स्नेहा भी लोग सब ऑडिट कर रहे थे,
अच्छा अच्छा, चलो
मेरे
ठीक
हॉस्टल
है।
वाले लोग तो।
हम्म। अच्छा वो तुम्हें पता है ना, वर्कशॉप जो इस संडे होनी थी वो अगले संडे अब होगी, सर कह रहे थे।
अच्छा।
एक
अरे
वर्कशॉप है
अगर,
ना।
हाँ वो वीकेंड के लिए मना करना यार, एक ये तो पॉइंट है, बाकी तो ठीक है, आई तो रोज चलेगा 5।
अब ये अपना काम एक मिला हुआ है ना, करते रहेंगे वीकेंड में। सर कुछ सर नहीं कुछ कहते हैं तो हम भी कुछ नहीं कहेंगे, वो अपने आप छुट्टी मान लेंगे।
नहीं नहीं सर, वीकेंड में बोला मना करना जरूरी है, पूरा नहीं तो फिर सब आगे के लिए हो जाएगा, आगे थोड़ा
चलो
काम भी और
देख
प्लेसमेंट
लेंगे अभी।
प्लेसमेंट थोड़ा। हम्म, देखो अब मैं कंटिन्यू ऐसे वीडियो भेजे सारे एक्सेल कुछ बताया कुछ खास मेरे को भी सीखना पड़ा थोड़ा मोड़ा ना।
अच्छा हाँ यार, मतलब वो जो समझ अभी तुम्हें, हाँ तुम तो दोनों क्लास नहीं किए हो तो समझना पड़ेगा वो तुमको। एक्सेल से
वीडियो भेजे
रिलेटेड।
तो वीडियो भेजे तो अच्छा रहेगा।
अच्छा वीडियो, हाँ सर को बोल देना, वो भेज देंगे। वो यार वो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन और मॉडलिंग पूरा बता दिया सर ने। तो शद्दाब भी था कल वाली रात वाली क्लास में, तो था शद्दाब, उसको कुछ समझ आया होगा। तो तुमने तो कोई भी क्लास नहीं की है तो पूरा समझ।
बन जाएगा उसको तो पता नहीं कोशिश करेगा तो आ ही जाएगा तो मुझे तो फास्ट तो है नहीं।
हम्म।
कोशिश किया हुआ देखा ध्यान दिया हुआ चल तो ना।
हम्म।
और ऐसे पता है कॉलेज सिस्टम में साथ क्या हुआ है बहुत लोगों को चेक फ्लैग बहुत लोगों का निकला है।
क्या निकला है?
मतलब बहुत लोगों का फ्लैग फ्लैग चीटिंग मीटिंग कर लिया था ना और उन
अच्छा
लोगों ने
अच्छा
कहा ये
अच्छा
बहुत
अच्छा
लोग का मैंने तो मेजर दिया ही नहीं था बच गया मैं।
अच्छा अच्छा। तो उनका क्या किया फिर, ग्रेड डाउन कर दी होगी?
ऐसे लास्ट में थोड़ा ऐसे ही आसानी ज्यादा कुछ नहीं किया मेजर में 0 दे दिया अगर
अरे अरे अच्छा।
मतलब ऑडिट वाले का वही तो क्या है ज्यादा मेजर में 0 दे दिया बेसिकली। ग्रेड ऐसे फेल ग्रेड वाला तो सब
हम्म,
पा जाएगा ऑडिट किया वाला तो सब पास तो कर दिया लगभग ऐसे तो शायद
अच्छा।
पहले तो
यार
वो
यार मेरी मेरी चार्जिंग कम हो रही है, 1 मिनट में चार्ज लगा देता हूँ ना, 2 मिनट रुकना। अच्छा लाइट का प्रॉब्लम सही हो गया प्रेम, कि अभी है, अभी रहेगा?
नहीं अब देखो साइक्लोन तो शायद खत्म हो जाएगा बारिश वारिश नहीं होगा अरे बारिश हो जाती तो लाइट काट देता गाँव में थोड़ा दिक्कत होता ना वो कुछ गिर जाता तार वार का सब सही तो नहीं जाता नहीं।
तो लैपटॉप चार्ज करने के बाद चल जाता है ना? लैपटॉप चार्ज एक बार हो जाए 100% तो फिर तो
अरे तो
जब।
काटना देखो कल से लगातार बारिश हो रही थी कल सुबह से
अच्छा
28
लगातार।
घंटे हो गया लगभग 28 घंटे लगातार अरे
अच्छा
साइक्लोन है ना
हाँ
साइक्लोन
हाँ,
का।
तो लाइट नहीं आ रही ना सबसे?
अरे बहुत बार तो ऐसे ही तार वार गिर गया इधर उधर फिर रिपेयर करने में इतना देर लगाता है अरे गाँव है एकदम
अच्छा।
इधर तो ऐसे ही लाइट तो ऐसे ही नहीं रहती आधे टाइम लाइट ही रहती है आधे टाइम तो ऐसे ही कटी रहती है मतलब
हम्म
इन जनरल
हम्म।
इतना पावर सप्लाई नहीं है पूरे दिन लाइट पे।
अच्छा
अभी तो ऐसे चार्ज किया मैंने लाइट आ गया है आज मतलब छूट गया बारिश तो।
हम्म।
और क्या प्लानिंग है आगे
पता
एमएस।
नहीं यार। हाँ नहीं नहीं, वो तो नहीं है, पहले तो प्लेसमेंट में बैठना है, फिर देखते हैं क्या करना है।
अच्छा सीधी एमएस के लिए चल रहा हम तो स्टैनफोर्ड मिल जाएगा।
अच्छा किसे किसे?
क्या
मुझे किसे कह रहे हो, मुझे?
सीधी 9 क्लास पे मिल जाएगा बजट वेट कर लो तो
देखते हैं यार, पहले तो अभी प्लेसमेंट ही है।
बीटीपी के लिए अप्लाई किया क्या
हाँ
बीटीपी के लिए
किसके लिए?
बीटीपी बीटेक प्रोजेक्ट
हाँ बीटीपी हो गया ना, मिल गए प्रो।
किससे प्रॉब्लम कौन सा प्रॉब्लम
के एन झा, के एन झा।
अच्छा, कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट है?
वो उनका कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट का है।
अच्छा,
तुम्हारा?
मेरा धनिया, हाइड्रोलॉजी, सिटी धनिया।
अच्छा,
नाम नहीं सुना क्या?
हाँ हाँ।
और जब सिविल प्लेसमेंट करना,
क्या?
So,
Yes, sir.
अच्छा
hmm,
Sir, a couple of things are remaining here. Then I will.
yes, yes.
Sir, one thing is, yeah. Sir, here you mentioned.
Hmm. Tell
Yeah,
me.
here's sir. You mentioned scaling and shearing. So
Hmm.
when you taught us yesterday, you told that also told about the determinant. That determinant tells us that by what factor it is getting scaled up.
Hmm.
So in this discussion, you thought about scaling and sharing and the diagonal and the non-diagonal elements, but
Hmm.
you didn't tell it about that determinant thing. I think you have not mentioned anywhere here.
Okay. Here, think of a student who is first time reading his book without having the knowledge I have shared with you. Okay, he
Yeah.
with curiosity he starts this book, and he here he it is how he can apply those techniques. I am explaining that. Yeah, these are the very large topics actually. It can be a single chapter, and
Hmm.
you'll surprise that each one is related to means each other. They are related. They are not in isolation. When we talk about rotation, talk about translation, all are related. Somehow they are related. But this is another subject, and it entire thing goes to abstract algebra. So if I include some of those ideas, what yesterday I was talking, when I face to face I am there discussing, then I know that I have told you, then you will understand. But here the student uh, may not find it relevant
Okay, sir.
at this point, because I am showing the techniques, and these techniques is to be applied in our linear algebra.
Yes, sir.
So from that angle, maybe I have not discussed here determinant, and determinant actual one full chapter is there related to linear algebra and determinant.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So I if I mention it here, then there I think something. But if you think that it is better to mention something, you can add some line. I don't have any issue on that,
Okay.
because
And
I'm telling you what I felt. I thought I was trying to make it as short as possible, so that this is they many students will feel diversion. When they feel, they will not feel the gravity of learning this. They will feel that they are being additional burden. But I
yes.
know that without this, if they go for learning those linear algebra concept, no, it will be more difficult for anyone. So
Yes, sir.
I am having some logic to putting it here. Uh, at the same time, I wanted to make it short, so that then because a man who don't know entire stories, and then he will not enjoy reading this.
Okay. Okay,
Even
sir.
sometime I delivered one uh, workshop for school teachers at Goa. Government of Goa arranged that workshop for school teacher. Many young, dynamic mathematics teachers assembled there, and 3 days workshop, not one day,
Okay.
continuous 3 days. So in that young generation mathematician, they are taking this very seriously, but there are few old generation mathematicians. They were talking every time सर दिस इज नॉट इन सिलेबस, सर ये सिलेबस में नहीं है, ये पढ़ के क्या करेंगे, like that. So I have tried to make it, but yes, it is a relevant point, and if you want, you can add that. I don't have any objection on that.
Okay, okay, sir. And so the last thing, one more. Yeah, sir, I think this coding. I mean, since I don't know MATLAB, I was not able to understand some part of this thing, not the entire, but some part. For example, you mentioned here in here that we have a surf command and a grid command, mesh grid and surf command. So that is okay. So, but other things like this first line and second line, I can't understand what is this. So
Okay.
as
First
a
line,
reader, because yeah,
okay. First line, last line, okay. From your side, it is okay. But my request is that you start either MATLAB or Scilab, anyone, if possible MATLAB. More support is there in MATLAB, and this is required. A engineer don't know the MATLAB. It is not is good. We can manage the show, but some impressions. So don't take it. It give first an impression. ये MATLAB नहीं जानता है तो क्या किया? So means serious mathematics, whatever means serious mathematics, manually you cannot solve. You even don't know maybe quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation formula? You know when you solve quadratic equation. Can you
yes,
remember that formula?
yeah, sir, that x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a.
Okay. What is the formula for cubic equation?
No, sir, I don't know for that. Sir, for that we were first trying to find first root, and when we get one root, then we convert it into quadratic, and then we found it.
It is not that straightforward anyhow. And what about the cube x to the power 4, polynomial of x to the power 4? Any formula on that?
No, no, sir.
And you know that x to the power 5, polynomial of x to the power 5 and above, they don't have any formula for solving it.
Okay.
I am telling you the difficulty level. We avoid when we get a formula of quadratic equation, means x square, polynomial of x to the power 2, is not it? We learn that formula, we become happy, but some books they study about cubic root x to the power 3 also, but hardly somewhere it mentions that x to the power 4. But after that, you will not get any book in graduation level or any level that they are talking about x to the power 5 polynomial. What I mean to say, it is very difficult to solve mathematics manually. Even for the same sake, you see, if yesterday to today, whatever you have learned, what you cannot. If I tell all those things, you do in your notebook manually, then we'll be stuck in the first option. Without technology, if you try to apply mathematics, then you are not doing mathematics. Manually, you cannot do anything. Manually, what you can do, that is also there. I have lot of studies on that, and over is that is uh, simple linear calculation, my scalar calculations, that you can do manually mostly. But in higher engineering mathematics and mathematical concept, nothing you can do manually. And if you rely on manual options, then you will not be successful. So my
Like in
request
our
is that,
civil, like in our civil engineering questions also, like we used to do questions by hit and trial, like try 2 or 3 times. Try 2 or 3 times to find the required solution. Like if we get closer to the solution, then that's right. Like doing finding exact solution is very difficult.
Yes. It is means you are, how many mathematics manually you can do? 10, 15, 20, not more than that. Your brain will not permit. So you cannot learn. Your learning process will be also slow. To be successful, you have to solve lot of problems, then you will get confidence. And that manually you cannot do. You have to learn Excel, you have to learn that MS Mathematics. I have introduced one MS Mathematics. That also a very good option for math, actually help you calculating lot of mathematics. And then MATLAB. This you have to do, and this will pay you back. This is not required for the students who want to settle. कैसे भी डिग्री मिल जाएगा, एक जॉब मिल जाए, शादी कर लेंगे, फैमिली हो गया, मैटर ends there. It is not required for them. But those are ambitious, become a successful engineer, reach to a greater height, they have to do technology, use technology. So my one of my papers actually was, and my book is, have you seen my book title?
This book title, sir.
No, that I published that book.
Yeah, I have seen, but I forgot. I think I don't
Like
remember.
simplifying mathematics to modeling, like something like that.
No, not modeling. Today, first book sold from Amazon. I got 254 rupees as a royalty.
New technique of teaching and learning mathematical concepts.
New technique. Can you share it in WhatsApp?
Yes, I'll say.
So that
Yes, I'll share it.
okay, you can share here also. Yes. Can you see this? Okay, you can see your WhatsApp also.
Yes.
Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
What is the name?
A new technique of teaching and learning mathematical concepts in 21st century.
So some uniqueness is that teaching and learning both can be done through this. You can learn from it, and you can teach from this also. So, and simultaneously, if any teacher and the students start this book for learning, I think students will learn faster than teacher. Okay, and it happened. You know, surprisingly, one of my workshop attended by a class 3 students, class 3, and all these things, whatever I taught yesterday, no, everything I was talking to them, him. Class 3 boy, forget about this class 6 boy. He is now in at class 5 or 6. 3 years back, he attended my workshop, and all those things I taught him, practically he has done. And he was so fast, he was completing his work, and he was guiding others, and others who was there in this audience, you know, there are many scientists from NIO, National Institute of Oceanography, many faculties of Goa University, many graduate engineers, and 11, 12 boys. And in that, he was guiding. You do like that, you take this, you do that. He was completing his work, and then he was class 3 boy. That result was not declared even that time. so surprising. So teaching and learning can happen here. And what is the significance of 21st century? Why I have especially mentioned that?
So because in this century we have technology and how to use technology
Yes,
also in the
this method will not, even suppose when I was in school, I could not have written this book because that technique I cannot show them that you do that, and you will get the result. They had to depend on manually to do that. Here, nothing is manual. Here, everything you can use technology and you can learn. So my request is that I think your college has a license in MATLAB, and you install MATLAB in your laptop and do very simple. You use a book of Rudra Pratap, very nice book. That much is okay. You need not
Okay.
master in this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now go back to that PDF file.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Okay, yeah. So that I was not able to understand something here, and
So
and
here I am explaining actually. Here what I am doing. I am x is equal to -3 clone 0.1 clone 3. So what it is doing? It is doing -3, -2.9, -2.8, -2.7 like that up to 3. It is creating a vector.
okay.
It is a vector, long vector in 0.1 interval, -3 to 3, nothing else.
Okay.
And then
Okay, sir.
y is equal to that x and what is that, comma, apostrophe. That
Yeah.
is actually common for, this is a row vector and it is its transpose. In MATLAB, that x apostrophe is for
Transpose.
column vector. Same element will be there. So vertical also, say column vector also same element. Now xy is equal to mesh grid x and y. This also we will do in Excel. I think I have done it in Excel also. You will find it. How to create a surface in mathematically. That is I am explaining. So mesh grid, what it do, that all the x and y values, no, it creates a grid like that. Isn't that right?
Yes.
X and y. So it creates a grid, and every node of that grid will have some x and y value. Leftmost will be -3 both. So it will when we move horizontally, then it is -2.9, -2.8, -2.7. It will go on like that. But here vertical y will be -3 only, because we are not moving vertically. So the coordinates will be -3, -2.9, -2.8 for x values. Our corresponding y value will be all -3. So mesh grid, they are making a grid, and each grid point having a x and y value. That it is mentioned here. It is a matrix. Got my point?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
This will be actually this. There will be two matrix. One is a grid of only x and a matrix of x, and another is a matrix of y. And then z is equal to, for each point, node having x and y, and our function is suppose z is a function of x and y. So every node having a z value, and it depends on the nodes x and y value, and depending on that, it height, the surface will be created. So
Okay.
this is the thought behind this, and mathematically we can do that.
Okay, sir.
How I can explain a surface? Suppose this surface, this surface. How I can explain this surface? This surface, actually at bottom it is having a domain, a flat plane, and the height of this each point from that plane. Is not it?
Yes, sir.
Then only
Yes.
we can get x and y and z. Each point having a x, y, and z. X, y is a flat plane, and every point of that flat plane corresponding to that surface is the z value, height. So this is actually done. So plot the equation minus 5x plus 9y plus z is equal to 0 is given below. So here you can see x and y. Yes, first I have taken that grid. Then z1 is equal to the. I have taken another formula. I think this formula is not that formula. 5x minus 9y. Yes, 5x minus 9y is equal to minus or z is equal to 5x minus 9y. Is not it?
Yes, sir.
And that formula I have used. Yes, z is equal to z2 is equal to this one. This formula. Yes. And then formula is SARP. SARP means all these x, y, z, it will plot a surface. That is the function in MATLAB. So here, when you give this x, y, z, it will create a surface. And have I shown that the surface how it looks? Can you?
Yes, sir.
This is a there is no, and from the data you can see, it is also one thing. From this formula and the graph, you should able to visualize the xy equation and his corresponding graph, how it will be. So how you can do that? X and y, there is no power, so x and y is in linear form, so plane will that surface will be a flat plane.
Hmm.
So like that, if the equation involves a x square minus y square sort of something, whose power is more than 1, then it will not be a flat plane. Then it will be a curved surface. So all those things, visualization you can do. And from that x power is 3, then it will be like that. Means it will go down and then go up, then again go down. If it is 3, power 3,
Yes,
or
sir.
it will be go up, go down, and go up.
Hmm.
Either two shape it can take. So from that also you can see that line, how this line will look like. Similarly, surfaces look like. Okay.
Yeah, so this is the end of chapter 2. So
I have
I have
not
not.
shown. Acha, I have shown the graph also. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And so these steps means I think these are steps and they are looking very simple. So something we can do with the font either, or the something should be done because it is looking like some description is also in the same font and these
I think
steps are
when
also in the.
you find this, you will take this file, no, original linear algebra. Here we have put all
Okay,
in box, grade box,
okay.
and you see, try see it. We have done something, and whether it is attractive or not, and if not, then we can modulate it. Already we have done something, and that will separate this block. This is code, no? So that will separate from other text.
Yeah,
So we have done it.
okay. So I have done only this much till now.
Okay, good. So up to this, flow is okay.
Yes,
Objective
sir. It
is
is.
okay.
Yeah. Means we have given you have given the background and then the tools, and now from the third chapter you are starting.
Yes. So Prem, now can we go up?
Up, sir.
Hmm.
Where?
At the top, that some
Ref,
short write up of every chapter. I think
and this
no write up.
where it is. I
No, I think this file it is not having. I am
yeah, man.
sharing my screen. Okay,
Okay, sir.
sorry. I think it is good. Means red color means I can immediately catch out. But why it is every time getting that has to be checked. If it is not very costly, we can go for the paid version also. And
So
if it is useful.
what is the problem coming with this? Is it not
Every
correcting
time
now?
this AC replace, I am replacing, then
It,
this
okay.
out of sync. What is that?
So it is due to not being premium or some other reason maybe.
Anyhow, this is every time if every correction if I require to, again it is not applied here. Before I think I will replace this. Yes, let us see whether it is replacing or not. So every time it is happening, so you can check it what is happening. Show local file content, what is that? Anyhow, I am not going to that.
Okay, sir.
It will divert our attention. It has not applied also.
Yeah.
So it is being shown by Grammarly or by Overleaf only.
Overleaf.
Okay.
Overleaf, this is rightful. Rightful one package, add-on package we have added.
Okay.
W, it is showing some W, no? Here 6, number
Yes, sir.
6, W. So that is showing. So I am talking about this page. From reader to this chapter was there.
Yeah, sir, it was there.
It is okay.
Yeah. So this is all interesting. Preface is also interesting, and this is also interesting.
And I want that any learner, if he face some problems, he should able to contact. So I am giving in my book, earlier book, I have given my email and my contact number, all those things. Means I don't want to really do something and escape. I
Yes,
real sense I want to change. Now this is how is the history of linear algebra.
yeah, it was good. It was also good.
You told that something is
So
abruptly
ending, yes, sir. Ending was
ending.
not good,
I'll
I
check
think.
again. I'll check again.
Okay.
These are nicely get organized in
Okay. Yeah,
Overleaf.
so these things were not there in the earlier one. It was not this. It was different there.
You download this file
Okay. Sir.
here, and you can keep this file. You can copy this file in some other name, and uh,
Yeah. Okay.
this chapter I was telling that chapter 1, chapter 3, to every chapter having some discussion about the short discussion about that chapter that I wanted to include, so that students can get a feel of this chapter, which chapter contains what. So this I have not written. I instructed one of my freelancer to write. She has written it. To some extent okay, but it is not very good. I think you have not read it. In that file I think it is
Yeah.
not there.
Yes.
So here you can whatever chapter you have, you can take it, copy it in what file or something you can do, and you can put your thoughts here. Very not more than 10 lines,
Okay. Okay.
so that to some extent summary sort of thing
Yes, sir.
of that chapter. Here introductory chapters, here also you can start this book having this much chapters, and all these chapters has been organized in this way, and details of this chapter are summarized below, and that summary, this is the thing.
Okay.
And these works you can, I think you can distribute among yourself who will be doing what, because a lot of thing I don't want that this book is ready almost last year. Last year also I had uh, many interns, and they have done lot of things, but I was not happy with this book till that, so I have not tried to publish it. I could have made shortcuts and remove the unwanted thing, and could have published it. But I wanted to make it really good book. So this work also you take, and then coming to our discussion about overleaf. Okay, overleaf. Let us have a help. So, how to create your first this very good file for help.
Yes, sir. Sir, I went through this 30-minute
Okay,
thing.
now this is the main thing, preamble. So first few lines you have to uh, write these things in preamble. Okay, and then use package, these are whatever few things are required, and then uh, begin document, begin title page, begin, this much can be your book. Here in place of article, if you write, this can be your book. Okay, and this can be main file, and all other files you can write separately with the extension of text file, and then that you can import between begin document to end document. Here anywhere you can place those files. So this will be neat and clean. At the same time, everything you can include. So in our book, I tried to do that, but to some extent it is so you see, this is this mathematics, this mathematics, then paragraph lines, almost these are the similar thing, small things. Then images, very good. Easily you can insert images. These in tables, very easily you can insert tables, and then it is having language, any language, even I can write in Bengali also. And then what I want to show, this is the most interesting package, a TICS package for drawing, basic point drawing, line drawing, everything you can do here with these commands. You see, there's a very nice, a little bit different than normal things, but once you start working, and it will appear that it is a very complex and difficult initially, but it is not like that. Here also, when you try to draw anything, this is begin text picture and end text picture. That is the common, or whatever you want to write or draw, that is to become here. And this is for drawing. Anything you can draw here. And mathematical expression, it also having very simple things. It appears initially very complex, but it is not that. I could do it, so it is not complex. I have done all those things very simple. Only thing, you need not learn all those things at a time. Only thing, when you face the problem, you can go to help and you can learn that. And once you learn one thing, actually, suppose you learned about how to draw. So whenever you want to draw, you just copy that block, paste that block where you want to draw, and change the parameters. That's all. You every time you need not try for everything. Similar thing goes for plotting. Plotting, very nice plotting facilities are there. All those things I have plotted there, you can plot here also. So plotting and drawing, both facilities are there. 2D plotting, 3D plotting, all the surface plotting is also there. This is surface plotting. You see how simple this surface plotting. And begin text picture, begin axis, title, color map, and it is having more control. You can control anything. Very simple. Just you can take this here, copy, Control C. Where is my page? So here, begin document, some problem may be there. Let's leave it. I'm taking any arbitrary file. This file is okay. Suppose here I am putting something. That one. Let me check whether it, it is slow or what happened? It's taking so much time. I think there is some problem. So anyhow, I think you will learn yourself. It is not a very difficult thing. Okay. And everything is a copy paste. Just
Okay,
you have
sir.
to change in between. So many drawings we have included in our file. Yes, I told timeout. So there was some problem, something missing, I think. So initially you will face that, and then there is solution also. So now coming to that thing, what is that? Uh, in your file, that determinant 1 2 worksheet is there, which is described as determinant. Have you seen that sheet?
Sir, in the book,
No, the file I sent yesterday.
no, sir, I didn't see.
I think yesterday we have worked on this file, is not it? So in this
Sir,
file,
the file is not opened. Gmail is opened right now.
this file is not, you could not open it.
Sir, no, it is not visible on the screen, this file.
Okay, okay, sorry. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here I started with this, I think, point yesterday.
Yes, sir.
And before that, you can find 3 worksheet. This is a blank worksheet. You can delete it. And before that, 2 sheet is there, determinant and areas. Determinant and areas. That I have explained about the how determinant is related to area. That book you are referring, no? Nishant?
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
In that book, it was talking about area and volume.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes, sir.
how this volume and area is related to determinant, it is very difficult to make out from his book, is not
Yes,
it?
sir. Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
So that explanation I have given in this. I am not going to explain much now. I request you that you yourself explore this, and I just tell it that what it is working. Okay,
Okay.
and with that I will. So if I and when I have written in that determinant chapter a little bit about that, and you can read there, and I'm explaining that. I think I have searched the internet about origin of determinant. So I searched for origin for linear algebra also. Linear algebra was not there before Newton. Even during Newton period also linear algebra was not there. Linear algebra, Newton proposed to Cambridge University we should have some topic like this, solving linear algebra. Okay, but later on many mathematicians has added many things, and now linear algebra is the main central, you can say. You cannot escape if you are a scientist, engineer and mathematician doing your practice without linear algebra means you are not doing your profession rightly. It is like that. So main thing is linear algebra. So linear algebra was started very recently, 300 years ago, you can say. And determinant. Determinant, actually, what is the origin of determinant? Determinant was not used for solving linear algebra. The idea was started from this. Can you see my window?
Yes,
This
sir.
net in internet.
No, Excel is
No,
open, sir.
Okay, okay. I'll share again. These some figures are you seeing? Can you see these figures?
Yes, sir.
So this is called Cavalieri's principle. And if you go for nothing is there.
I think that figure was in the book also.
Huh? Tell me.
The leftmost figure is in the book also, like this coin.
Yes, yes. Uh, this is the theory, and lot of work has been done on that. That Cavalieri's theorem, when you read this thing, I think it will very difficult to make out what it is saying. So actually it is telling this is the vertical coins, no, and this is the inclined something bent coins. Cavalieri principle is telling this volume will be of this pillar and this pillar. This is vertical pillar, this is distorted pillar, but both volume will be same provided they are same in between two planes. What my point? Again, should I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Uh, this stack of coins, no? Left side, right side.
Yes, sir.
So he is telling whether it is vertically kept these coins or this inclined way it kept these coins. This volume of both will be same provided these two are in same plane, parallel plane. If they are in between two parallel planes, then their volume, whether its shape does not matter.
Okay.
And that is say applicable to two dimension also. If any shape, you can see my presentation at that chapter, determinant chapter. If these two lines are parallel and in between the shape, whatever it is vertical and inclined, all will have same uh, area provided this cross-sectional length are same. They are in between two parallel lines and it is bounded by two lines, no? Then it is for bounded area. This bounded area will have same volume, whether this is in vertical or it is kept as something like horizontal or more horizontal. So this is true when their cross-sectional planes are parallel and same.
Okay.
Here they have not shown the two-dimensional figure, but you should see two-dimensional figure in our uh, book. Chapter 9 or somewhere when I have discussed about determinant, there I have discussed on that. And that point I am explaining through that model. Whatever model I have, and this model also available with here. I have used these Excel files to depict those ideas, these ideas. Okay, so I am just giving hint out of it. Then this area, when cavalry has depicted, that time coordinate system was not there. What I feel, and later coordinate system came, and coordinate system was there. Yes, it was case of 500 years ago. Kramer converted this thought into here length and area relationship was there, length area volume in cavalry. What Kramers added same thought added with a coordinate system. So now coordinates length area volume. If it is 2D, then it is length and area. If it is 3D, then area and volume. These